name is Angie Benavente, your Silicon Valley real estate agent. If this is your first time watching my videos, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube, as I am constantly posting videos updating everyone on the real estate market in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley, and California. One of the top stories in recent real estate headlines was the intensity and frequency of bidding wars. With so many buyers looking to purchase a home and so few of them available for sale, fiercely competitive bidding wars became the norm during the pandemic, and it drove home prices up. If you try to buy a house over the past 2 years, you probably experienced this firsthand and may have been outbid on several homes along the way. Recent market activity shows clear signs the bidding wars are easing this year. The average number of offers on recent sold homes have declined considerably over the past few months. This shift is happening largely because rising mortgage rates moderated buyer demand and slowed home sales, resulting in growing supply of homes on market. Essentially, more choices for buyers. If you put your home search on pause because you were outbid last year or because you didn't want to deal with the peak intensity of bidding wars, you can breathe a welcome sigh of relief. While this is still a seller's market and an uptick in inventory, it gives you a window of opportunity to jump back in. You may still be competing with some buyers, but it likely won't be anything like it was just a few months ago. Bottom line, if you put your plans on pause because of intense bidding wars in recent years, it may be time to kick off your home search. Today, bidding wars are easing, and that means less competition as a buyer. If you are serious about buying a home and making a move, let's connect today. I am available via email or phone call 24/7 to make your real estate dreams come true. If you know anyone looking to buy or sell in the Silicon Valley Bay Area, I am never too busy for your referrals.